we present you a cutting table for roller blind Series B. The cutting table for roller blind Series B have maximum cutting speed and high reliability. Unwinding shafts are made of polished stainless steel. On this video, the table with fixed unwinding shafts is shown. Optionally, you can install a centering system to align the roll. The backlight section for fabric control can be also installed on this table. The fabric cutting is carried out by an industrial rectangular blade. There are quite a few options for blades of this format: simple steel blades, tungsten-carbide blades, as well as ceramic blades with the highest durability. The service life of the blades depends heavily on the fabric you cut and the material of the blades and can vary from 1 day to 1 year. Blade replacement is not a complicated procedure. To do this, unscrew one screw. One blade is used 4 times, until all 4 cutting edges are worn. The blade holder is designed in such a way that the blade is as closed as possible to prevent injury. There are also sensors to prevent injuries. The sensors prevent the blade from moving until the bar is quite well pressed. Optionally can be installed a synchronous parallel stopover the entire width of the table. It allows you to quickly and accurately set the size and parallelism of the cutting line. The lower part of the stop have no clearance to the table along the entire length, so even the thinnest fabric has no chance to slip under the stop bar. Tables of Series B perfectly cut most of the fabrics used in the production of roller blinds. But there are exceptions, loose fabrics on which frayed edges are formed immediately or over time. It is necessary to use an ultrasonic knife to stabilize the fibers on such fabrics, but it is impossible to do on the table Series B. You can also have difficulties with very thick and rigid fabrics that can be cut only with a circular knife at low speed. But about 90% of the range of existing fabrics on the market is perfectly cut on this table with amazingly high speed.